Avinashi and I am studying in grade 11 in Shakthi International School, and my concept is types of inflorescences. The definition of inflorescence in flowers: arrangement of cluster of flowers on the stem. The another statement is the arrangement of cluster of flowers on a floral axis. In these two flowers, what are the difference can you see? In this flower, the bottom flower is a bud, and here is a grown up flower. So here you can see that it's an older flower that is on the apex, and in down the newborn babies are there. Okay, and here the grown up are on the basement, and the upper flower is a tiny flower. So this flower is called as Racemose, and this flower is called as Cymone. So no flower development, indefined growth of shoots. So now, since apex can grow continuously and indefinitely, this is called as indefinite inflorescences, and this is called as Cymone. Development of flowers at the apex. So here you can see that this flower is grown in the apex of the stem. So the grown-up flower shoot does not occur indefinitely. So this one is called as definite inflorescences. So in this down part, this flower is fully grown, and the buds are on top of the stem. You can see that, and this is called as racemoses. And here in the apex, the flower is grown. You can see that at the middle of the stem, and here are tiny buds which are grown at the down part of it. So you can see in this thing that these buds are tiny buds are grown at the down part of a plant or a stem. Or in this one, the tiny buds are grown at the top, and the bigger flowers are at the bottom. Here the bigger plants or the flowers are on the top, and the tiny little flowers on the bottom. So this is the difference between a racemoses and a Cymone. They are totally opposite, and